Hey everybody, this is Rip Fletching. Got another little knife sharpening video for you. Look at my hair, it's all wild. I've been out ice fishing today and had my boggin on, my hair's all messed up. So anyway, my wife wants me to sharpen this. So I give you guys a little bit of what I think I can do with this. I think I can get this baby to shave. Let's see. It's a big knife, but it's a pretty decent quality knife. I don't think it'll be a problem. All right, let's see what we can do here. I'll probably just start with, let me get this back a little bit here. I'll probably just start with a medium and then go to fine. Okay, so this is my medium stone. Make sure there's no grit. Put a few drops on there of oil. And let's see how it turns out. Let's see here. Get your 22.5 degree angle. It's always harder for me coming to me than away. It's a big knife. It's got me wondering why my wife wanted me to sharpen it. Maybe she's got some other plans. All right. I wish I had a little paper towel. I should have got that out beforehand. And of course, looks like, oh, no, here's some. I thought we were out. Let's check it. Oh, yeah. It already shaves. Awesome. Okay, let's move to the next. This is my fine stone, but I was sharpening some just really cheap knives, excuse me, and it left some residue on my stone, so I really need to regrind this stone just a little bit. Not too pleased with the shape it left it. A little bit of grit on there. All right. So there again, a 22 degree angle. And I don't know if you guys have watched my other videos. It's not that necessary to get a 22 degree angle. What is necessary is you get an angle that you can duplicate. I can tell you by the sound of that, it's sharp. Let's check it. It will shave. Not exceptional. So if you don't have a honing strop, get you a good piece of leather. And you want to bow this so that there's no chance of you cutting yourself, okay? You're gonna run all the burr onto one side. Flip the knife. And now I should have you to look I'm not running a steep edge on this. I'm basically almost flat with the knife, okay? This is a little technique that I come up with, but it works so well if you've got a good piece of leather. Flip it over. Alternating sides. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah. I guess you guys can hear that on the camera. Just popping them off like it's supposed to. I better not get that any sharper. My wife might cut herself on it, so. All right. Big old knife, and it is sharp. So I hope that was useful to you. Let you get one more wild look at that hair. I caught a nice pike. It should be on one of the other videos. I was ice fishing today, and like I need to be ice fishing with my throat like this. And I had on a 4-pound test line. Bam! Nailed a good northern pike. Managed to get it in. Anyways, go back and check out that video. Like and share. Thanks, guys.